Abim ka na breakwater pro ha.
Page forward, passing the breakwater, sir.
Okay. Hard port daw. Oh, thank you. Brada muna tayo. Good morning sa lahat. Ngunit,
Airport side.
okay, copy up. Thank you. Bullard, ano tayo pro ha? Ano ba yun? 5-10. Abiso pag nasa Bullard, 5 tayo, hulog tayo angkla.
Roger, roger, sir.
Okay. Ngayon, anong Bullard na ngayon yan?
Team the Bollard 5, sir.
Ngayon, Bullard 5? Okay. Hard port tayo. Ganyan para hindi tayo malanganin ba? Kasi hangin kasi ganyan. Kasi pag ganyan ka sa hangin, ganyan no? Dapat ganyan ka agad. Pag below 2 knots na speed. Padpad sa hangin. Speed.
6, sir.
Okay, Bullard 6. 2.6. Tapos tignan mo yung likod mo, ganyan. Kaya 2.4.
Team to Bollard number 9, sir.
Kaya Bullard 9.
2.3 speed, sir.
Okay. Dead slow ahead, hard port.
Let's slide, sir.
Oo.
Sa beam to Bollard
Okay, so pag 2
number 10,
knots,
sir.
kaya Bullard number 10.
2.3 speed, sir.
Okay.
2.5 speed, sir.
Okay.
2.8 speed, sir.
2.8, thank you. Stop engine.
Stop again.
Hard starboard.
3.3 speed, sir. Hard starboard.
Oo. Half thrust to port.
Half thrust to port.
Monitor mo lang distansya, bro.
Half thrust to port, sir.
Oo.
From the jetty, sir, to Bollard.
Kaya to Bullard. Dead slow astern.
Let's go, sir.
Atras tayo.
Let's go, sir.
Oo.
Finger start posing 46 shelter.
Okay, up. Okay, up. Thank you.
1.3 speed, sir.
Oo. Full thrust to port.
Full thrust to port. 0.8 speed, sir.
Oo. Stop engine.
Stop again.
Hard port.
Hard port. Okay, stop, sir.
Oo.
Speed, sir.
Oo.
Hard port rudder, sir.
Oo.
sir.
Okay.
For speed, sir.
Okay.
.5 speed, sir.
Okay, thank you. Stop trust.
Not rush.
Midship rudder.
Wait, my brother. Brother, stop, sir.
Oh. Dead slow ahead.
Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Sir.
Oh. Half thrust to starboard. Half thrust to starboard.
Up, rush, starboard. 0.7 speed, sir.
Oh.
Up, rush, starboard, sir.
Stop engine. Full thrust to starboard.
Number 7, sir.
Okay.
Engine stop, sir.
Okay.
Speed, sir. Full thrust to starboard.
Okay. Hard starboard.
Rush, starboard.
Ano bullard ka na pro ah?
Reach beam to bullard number 6, sir.
Okay. Bisog bullard 5 bahulog tangla.
Rush, starboard, sir.
Oh.
1.9 speed, sir.
Abim, bullard 11.
Okay, up. Thank you. Dead slow astern.
Let's go, sir. Let's go, sir.
Oo.
1.7 speed, sir. Let's
Oh.
go, sir. 1.6.
Stop engine.
Reach beam to bullard number 5, sir. Up abim, bullard number 10.
Okay, let go. Port anchor.
Let go, Port Angkor. Ka?
Okay. Bale, in position na to.
Roger, sir.
Okay, padikit na lang tayo.
0.8 speed, sir.
Okay.
Still on overtake, sir.
Okay. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
0.6 speed, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Harus tabot ka pa rin, no? Harus tabot, sir.
Okay. Ganyan po pa, may angle ka sa Bullard 10.
Ayan, sir, sa bullard. Ito kami, sir. Up yung sa between bullard 9 and 10. Pag ganito ang posisyon, sir, may angle tayo sa stern line natin.
Okay. Bali yung stern line natin, Bullard 10.
Sir, bullard 10. 9 yung spring namin.
Okay. Midship rudder.
Thank you, brother.
Distance from the jetty, half bullard, sir.
Okay. Dead slow astern.
Let's go, sir.
Bang!
Okay.
Spring line, sir.
Stop engine. Okay, heavy line assured.
Bullard number 4, sir.
Okay.
0.6.
Sir, sending trace kami, sir.
Oh, bigay nyo na trace.
Ala lang.
Up thrust to port.
Up, transport.
Para tulak, Jay. Distansya ka na lang, Jay.
Up, transport, sir.
Babarat naman.
Okay, thank you. Stop thrust.
Stop, transport. Catras, sir.
Oo.
Spring time. Series kayo ha?
Okay.
Ready na, ano sir, tres.
Okay. Bali mong yung binigay mo stern line yan.
Negative sir, tres, spring line.
Spring line. Bali atras pa pala tayo.
Kabira ko sir, kabira ko ng spring line.
Okay.
Slack lang.
Hard starboard.
Hard starboard.
Kick lang ako na bante pro ah. Ingat lang slow bit.
Sige sir, di pa ako magbigay. Sir.
Para mo na bira. Slack mo lang spring mo po pa.
Slack.
Kick ahead lang. Tadjak kick ahead.
Kick ahead, sir.
Reach a bit
Kick ahead.
5.
Okay.
Let's slide, sir.
Oo. Stop engine. Slack mo lang yung spring mo po pa.
Slack to sir, naka-slack to sir.
Okay. By gear nyo lang yung spring nyo pro ah. Dead slow ahead.
Let's slide.
Okay, Roger sir.
Oh, kick lang ako bante. Hard starboard ah.
Hard starboard, hard.
Stop engine.
Stop again.
Bigyan agad ng headline pro ah, para hindi papasok yung pupa. Jay, may low bid na kami Jay. Maraming salamat Jay. Morning Jay.
Sending headline sir.
Okay.
Pwede lang bigay 4 sir.
O, bigay na kayo ng 4.
Okay.
Slack mo lang kapag mag-tight yung full slack mo lang spring para hindi na papasok ulit yung pupa. Coordinate na lang kayong dalawa. Finish engine ako.
Okay sir. Basta
Okay.
wala kang kilong.
Finish engine, finish the wheel.
Ano yung doors nyo? Para magtira kami ng spring.